Tucked away in Roppongi side street, just a few minutes walk from the station, is Miss Bunny. This is actually more of a pet store and bunny grooming service than cafe. It's been renovated since we went, but the bunnies are still as cute as ever. For 1,190 yen, you can pet and cuddle 2 different bunnies in 30 minutes. When we went, we could hold chinchillas too, like this one here. While many foreign visitors come here for the experience, for some locals, animal cafes like Miss Bunny are a way to de-stress and relax after a long workday or week. What would be your reason to visit? Let me know in the comments section. Another uniquely Japanese experience is Okunoshima, better known as Rabbit Island. To get here, you need to catch a short ferry ride from Tadanoumi port, with services running every 30 to 45 minutes. This island has a dark past, as it used to be a research and production site for chemical weapons during World War II. For the 16 years it was in operation, local residents and workers on the island were sworn to secrecy. It was even kept off the maps. The buildings that remain provides an eerie glimpse into a darker side of Japan's history. These days, Okunoshima is a tourist attraction that is continuing to grow in popularity because of, well, rabbits. I couldn't find a definite answer as to how the rabbits got there, but one theory is that some primary school students were the ones behind it. Rabbit food pellets can be bought at Tadanoumi port before you board the ferry, and while it may be tempting to cuddle them, holding the rabbits is not allowed. You'll actually find that they won't want to be touched anyway. The rabbits on Okunoshima definitely makes it a memorable day trip, but you can also stay there overnight in the resort hotel. Rabbits aside, the island also offers some pretty nice panoramic views. There are different walking trails along the coast and across the island which are accessible all year round. You can walk around the whole island in around an hour or explore via rental bike. Just don't forget to leave time to get back to the ferry. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you next time. Bye!